In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share activity on Strava app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an activity you see in Strava and share it with your friends in just a couple of taps, while also understanding what happens behind the scenes so your share works the way you expect. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your feed and make sure you have an internet connection so everything appears correctly. When the app opens, you'll typically land on your home feed, which is where recent activities from you and people you follow are displayed. If you're not seeing the feed right away, look for the main screen that shows activity cards with maps, distances, times, and photos. Next, scroll down through the feed and look for the activity you want to share. This can be one of your own workouts or one posted by someone you follow, as long as their privacy settings allow sharing. Activities are laid out as individual cards. You'll usually see the athlete's profile picture, the activity title, and details like distance, elevation, and pace. Keep scrolling until you find the exact run, ride, or other workout you have in mind. If you have a lot of posts in your feed, take your time and use the activity title or the map image as a quick visual cue to locate the right one. Once you've found it, tap the share icon. On most phones, this looks like an arrow or the standard share symbol. You might see it directly on the activity card, and if not, tap into the activity to open its details page. There, the share icon is typically near the top or along the action bar. Tapping it opens your phone's sharing options. From here, pick how you want to share. You can send the activity to your friends through your preferred messaging app, post it to social platforms, or copy a link to paste anywhere you like. If you want to add context, include a short note in your message, something like the route, how it felt, or why you're sharing it. A quick tip: the visibility of what you share depends on the activity's privacy settings. If your friends can't open the link, it may be because the activity isn't public or shared with followers. You can always share again after adjusting those settings later if needed. Also, remember that sharing someone else's activity will respect their privacy. Only what they allow will be visible. That's it. Open Strava, scroll to find the activity, and tap the share icon to send it to your friends. Simple, quick, and perfect for celebrating a great workout.